Have you ever had $1 million idea for a movie, but every time you sit down to write, it just goes nowhere? The first 10 pages feel flat, the characters are boring, and your idea is starting to feel like a bust. It's a common problem. You're not alone. It's also fixable. I'm going to show you 12 storytelling mistakes that are holding your screenplay back. Because sometimes all you need is a roadmap to get that hero off the couch and into the action. Let's start the countdown. A passive protagonist is a character who lets things happen to them instead of driving the plot forward. They are a passenger, not the driver. A good hero has a clear goal and actively pursues it. Remember the hero I mentioned? The one on the couch? That's a passive protagonist. The fix is very simple. Give them something they desperately want and watch them go get it. What does your hero have to lose? If the answer is nothing, the audience has no reason to care. Stakes aren't just life or death. They can be emotional, financial, or psychological. The key is that something is on the line that the audience understands and cares about. Your story needs a clear opposition for your protagonist to face. Without a major obstacle, there's no narrative tension. This doesn't have to be a villain. It can be a force of nature, an internal struggle, or a major issue surrounding your hero. This is when characters say exactly what they're thinking or feeling. Dialogue is most powerful when it has subtext. Instead of saying, "I'm sad," a character can simply stare at the faded photograph and let the audience read between the lines. Don't tell your audience information. Show it. We've all read scripts where a character delivers a long speech to explain the backstory. Instead, let the audience discover the world and the characters through action and visual storytelling. This is when the plot relies on pure coincidence to move forward. The hero just happens to find the magic key or the villain just happens to trip. These moments break the audience's trust and make the story feel lazy and unearned. Your character must change. They should learn something, overcome a flaw, or transform in some meaningful way. If your character is the exact same person at the end of the script as they were at the beginning, the story is incomplete. A character's action must be believable based on who they are. If a timid librarian suddenly becomes a master spy with no explanation, the audience will be pulled out of the story. Make sure you know why your characters do what they do. Does the story feel like it's dragging on in some scenes and rushing in others? That's a pacing problem. A good script builds and releases tension at the right moments, moving the story forward with a sense of purpose. A story is not just about what happens, it's about what it means. The theme is the core idea or message of your story. It is the so what of your plot. Without a theme, your story can feel hollow. It's easy to get lost in the building of an epic fantasy story, but if your descriptions don't serve the story, they're just weighing it down. Only include the details that are relevant to your plot and your characters. If your ending feels predictable or unearned, it will undo all the good work you did building tension. A strong ending feels both surprising and unavoidable. Don't be afraid to take a risk and find a resolution that feels unique to your story. By avoiding these 12 mistakes, you can get that passive hero off the couch and into the action. You have that $1 million idea, you just need to write the story it deserves. These are the tools to help you get there. And to help you truly bring your characters to life, I've created a character development checklist that will guide you through building complex, compelling characters for your next film. Download it for free now with the link in the description below. And if you are an actor, I suggest that you watch the video that is on your screen right now. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and I'll see you next time.